Hello friends, this is Samir Patil here and this is a quick unboxing and review of Stanley 30 watt soldering iron. I got it from amazon.in for 250 rupees and the link is given in the description. So let's start. So as you can see, it is a 30 watt soldering iron. It has 1 year limited warranty and it works on 220 volt AC current. Model number is 69031B, as you can see over here. And as you can see, it is made in Taiwan. What you get in the box is the soldering iron itself, and you get an extra soldering tip, and this is a stand which holds the iron. Actually it is a flat stand and you have to bend it to make the soldering iron stay on it. So let's see how it works. So now let's see in how many minutes does it get ready. So let's start. In the first 2 or 3 use, you will see this part of the rod getting blackened. It is usual and normal, there is nothing to worry about. It is started to change the color and I can smell the heat of it. Now let's try. In the description it is given that it gets ready within 2 minutes. So I suppose that is perfect. Let's see in 2 minutes. There you go. Now let's check it out. Yes, it is ready within the 2 minutes, which is faster than the average time required by a normal soldering iron, and it's great to go. As you can see, it is melting properly. Okay. Here you can see it is melting pretty good. Properly. That's it. So as you saw, the soldering iron works perfectly. And one more thing I like to clear, that the inbuilt tip that you get here, it is a pointy tip, and the extra tip you get is a flattened tip. So take that into consideration. That is a very good option. You can remove the tip by unscrewing this screw and insert it. It also has the screwing mechanism, so it gets fitted. It doesn't come off very easily. That was it about the soldering iron. I will use it for a couple of projects in the coming days and will let you know about the updates, how it performs. So I hope you liked the video and it was helpful. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching the video.